My video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the online scam related to the site Kudent.xyz. Kudent.xyz is a malicious site that attacks Google Chrome browser, and it may also affect other browsers. It basically tries to make you scared regarding the situation with your computer in order to force you into downloading and installing certain potentially unwanted software. If you see these pop-ups, don't ever trust them. Just leave this deceptive page. Also, I recommend that you research your computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download it, install the software, and then start carefully researching your system. So Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and eliminate other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, for the first time the program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on Start Scan button, and then the scanning will immediately begin. But most likely, of course, the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip that important step if Combo Cleaner suggests you to update its antivirus database. Then the scanning itself will take place. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And it may depend on other factors too, of course. Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scan at the end of the scan. I want to emphasize your attention on several features, for instance anti-ransomware feature, which will always protect your files against ransomware attacks. This feature is the part of the premium license though. So you need to wait a certain amount of time until the scanning has been successfully finalized by Combo Cleaner. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. Of course, some threats can be removed manually. However, we recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner to make sure your computer is always under decent protection.